Welcome. If you want to add a new email address to your Instagram account in 2025, you're in the right place. Keeping your contact info up to date is essential for security, account recovery, and making sure you never miss important notifications. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on them to open the menu. From here, select Accounts Center. This is where you can manage your account's core settings and personal details. Inside the Account Center, tap on Password and Security, then choose Personal Details. This section is where you can update your key information. Next, tap on Contact Info. Here you'll see all the contact details currently linked to your account. To add a new email, tap on Add New Contact, then select Add Email Address. A new window will pop up. Enter your new email address carefully, double-checking for any typos. Once you've typed it in, tap Next to continue. Instagram will now send a confirmation email to the address you just entered. Open your email inbox, find the message from Instagram, and follow the instructions to confirm your new email. Usually, this means clicking a verification link or entering a code back in the app. After you've confirmed your new email, Instagram will display a message letting you know your contact info has been updated. Your new email is now linked to your Instagram account, helping you stay connected and secure. And that's it. You've successfully added a new email to your Instagram profile. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a quick update. And make sure to keep your account details current for the best Instagram experience.